Let's season up the shrimps. I know I have a lot of shrimp recipes, but this one is a little different. Now these are 13 to 15 shrimps, nice size. So cut them down like that. That way when you cook them, they'll stay round instead of out like that. Put a little paprika, pink salt, black pepper. I already have the onions and the garlic in the skillet. And never buy shrimps that are in a package that are peeled, because they just don't have the flavor. It's all gone in the process. Only buy shrimps with the shell on. And don't think the shrimps that you buy in the fish store are fresh shrimps. All shrimps are frozen. Even if you buy the ones with the heads on, they're all frozen. They'll tell you that they're fresh, but anyway. So we have this, and we're having this pasta. Linguine number 17 from Ronzoni, only because they didn't have a wider one. So I've never used this small linguine, and I should be using 8 ounces, which is half of the packet. And remember to have enough salt in the water, so when you just taste it, you'll know that there's salt in there. This helps in the flavor of the entire dish. You can't just boil pasta in plain water. You have to have that seasoned. All the ingredients have to be seasoned. So I'm putting that in now. And now we're going to start cooking the shrimps. So I turned up the fire a little, nice flame, and now we're going to slowly put the shrimps right on top of the onions and the garlic that are in there, so they have that nice flavor. These are an excellent size, the 13 to 15 count. I get them at Costco. Very nice. And I'll be turning those while the pasta is cooking. I'm going to have to let the camera run for this entire recipe so you can see how long it takes to cook this side shrimp. Of course, you do not want to overcook shrimps. Every time I go have shrimps in a restaurant, most of the time they're overcooked. When they give you such small shrimps, it's no fun. So, I didn't have them in there a long time on that side. And they're only going to be in another minute like on this side. Now I have to hope I time this correctly. Because the linguine should be done before the shrimps. But I don't think so. So what I'm going to do, since we said we're using the water from the pasta to help make this sauce. So I am taking a cup of the water, having it ready right over here next to the heavy cream, and the tomatoes are going in the last minute. So we're taking the shrimps out now because they're going to go back in for a minute, and when they go back in, then they can finish up. If I turn this flame down, it's not going to help. They're going to still keep on cooking. Now I can turn it down or move it away. Has a nice aroma. We go over here and look. So when I drain the pasta, I'm going to put it back in the pan. And then I will add the shrimps back in the other pan with the water and the cream, and after it like reduces just a little bit, I'll add the shrimps. Everything will be mixed up. Let's try this. That's 2 strands. I'm going to shut the film off until this is ready. It's going to take about another minute. Got to be quick now. There's the water. I'm throwing the shrimps on the pasta. That deglazed. Let's go over here. Put that in there. Add the heavy cream. Look at this boulder of cheese. Now I'm going to just taste that, only to see if there's enough cheese in there. Well, that flavor's good, but we need another third of a cup. So now I have to change that on the recipe. That's 2/3 of a cup. In another minute, this will be done. And at the very end, we're going to throw in that is good. One more taste, double dipping, but guess what? It's me. That is great. Putting those in last, along with the parsley, so they don't break up. Just get hot. Give a drop of flavor in there. And next thing you'll see is everything in the bowl. That's it. And there we have it, a dinner for two. And if you follow my directions, it should come out pretty just like this. Enjoy.